Sophie's pissed off, so she's tearing my porch. She's tearing down the deck. We're going to take the whole damn deck down. Oh, here she comes. She's coming at me now. What am I gonna do? She probably thinks I'm taking a picture, so she's posing. Layla, what do you think? What is your mama doing? What is she doing? Alrighty.